Here's what they don't tell you about cauliflower. Roasting it makes it downright addictive, and as my husband and I have found, eating it before a meal can help balance your blood sugar too. Top with a drizzle of homemade tahini dressing and fresh herbs for a bright and flavorful finish. Here are the top tips for this incredibly easy vegetable dish. For many home cooks, cutting a whole cauliflower can feel very awkward. To make it easier, remove the outer leaves so you can see the stem clearly. Use the tip of your knife to carefully cut into the base where the clusters connect to the core, and then make smaller flowerets by slicing through only the stem and avoiding the tops. Use your hands to break the cut floweret into smaller pieces. This keeps the tops intact with much less mess that happens when you cut directly through the tops. Olive oil and seasonings are what turn plain cauliflower into golden, flavor-packed bites. And if crispier flowerets are your preference, make sure to give the cauliflower a good pat dry with a paper towel after washing and before adding the oil and seasonings. You'll find the full list of ingredients and amounts in the recipe post, but here's a quick tip about the olive oil. You're aiming for a light, glossy sheen on each floweret. No dry spots, but not swimming either. Too little oil and they won't brown properly. Too much and they'll turn soggy. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.